Welcome back to the Arpit 2020 Day 2. Our annual festival has started with lots of enthusiasm. Today, we are here to showcase the same energy and same excitement to you all. Before we begin, we are fortunate to have with us Rani Khanum ji, a leading Kathak exponent of Lucknow Gharana, who is here to bestow her blessings upon the participants and motivate our young dancers.
नमस्ते, मैं रानी खानम आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। मेरी तरफ से ढेरों शुभकामनाएं RSCA एकेडमी और उनके फाउंडर रजुता सोमन और उनकी पूरी टीम को है, जो इस साल फिर बड़ी खूबसूरत तरीके से एक आगाज़ लेकर आई है। वो है अर्पित अपनी तरह का एक यूनिक प्लेटफॉर्म है, जिसमें वर्चुअली बहुत सारे यंग आर्टिस्ट अपनी कला का प्रदर्शित करेंगे और पूरी दुनिया से उनके कला को देखा जाएगा और सराहा जाएगा। मैं जानती हूँ ये यंग कलाकार अपने रियाज पे बहुत ध्यान दे रहे हैं और इस तरह के डिजिटल प्रोग्राम्स जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, ये उनके काम को इनकरेज करेगी और उनके मॉडल को सपोर्ट करती है। सो आइए एक बार फिर से हम इन्हें बहुत सारी ढेरों शुभकामनाएं और आशीर्वाद देते हैं, ताकि ये आगे बढ़ के अपनी कला का प्रदर्शित एक बड़े लेवल पे कर सके और अपने करियर को एक डांसर की तरफ प्रतिष्ठित कर सके। एक बार बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं फिर से रजुता सोमन और उनकी टीम को। नमस्ते।
Starting right off with our first performance for the day, showcasing a wide range of advanced hand movements with the variation of basic syllables of ta the the tat a the the tat, we have a tal sequence presenting tal teen tal, a tal which comprises of 16 beats. This performance also consists of a small piece of abhinay depicting the beautiful atmosphere created during the monsoon season, with the dark menacing clouds, lightning and thunder, the fresh flowers blooming and the bees approaching these flowers to collect nectar, the beautiful peacock spreading its feathers and dancing, and little children who of course love to dance in the rain. This piece finally ends with a few tihais. We have Manasi Narang, Chitrakshi Lori, Ameya Kadam, Ishani Lad, Yagnya Shetty and Prachiti Chauhan present this fun-filled performance to us.
Wow, that was really beautiful. Now, we have our next performance, a little bhajan in praise of Lord Krishna and hailing him. It's a depiction of his life in Vrindavan, his ras with the gopis, and how he dances with so much grace and poise, yet looks so crisp and sharp, just like Damani, which means lightning. The ending of this bhajan has a small Kalya Daman depiction. Kalya Daman Leela is a majestic fight Lord Krishna fought with the mighty snake Kalya. Our little ones Sanvi Hankare, Ananya Rathore, Shraddha Bhatt, Saundarya Suryavanshi, Ira Raut, Aditi Siddharth, Sai Rahul Shastakar, Bhavika Motwani, Sanvi Sunil, Diya will be performing this bhajan for us.
Krishna Janardana, Hare Krishna Janardana, Yadunandana Krishna Madhusudana, Gopika Vallabha Radha Ramana, Krishna Janardana, Hare Krishna Janardana. Gopala Bala Muralidhara, Radhe Gopala Nandan Bala Sham Sundara, Hare Krishna Janardana, Hare Krishna Janardana. Dhimi dhimi damini damakat cham 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 noras barsat Krishna karat kitne Krishna karat kitne Krishna karat kitne Devaki bala yaduvira kansa vidvasana tilak dharaya dunatha radhika jivana हे अनंता मधुसूदनाया हे अनंता समुद्र मंथनाया कृष्णा 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 गोपिका वल्लभा राधा रमणा गोविंदा कृष्णा गोविंदा 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 कृष्णा 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 जनार्दना हरे कृष्णा जनार्दना हरे कृष्णा जनार्दना।
What a wonderful story and energy showcased by these young girls. Let's move on to the first question for today. What is Teen Tal? Explain in one line. You can send us your answers on the mobile number 96578 34548, or you can send us an email on renuka31019997@gmail.com. Up next is a mesmerizing performance of another Tal sequence. This performance is actually a blend of Abhinay and technique. The performers have woven both the aspects of dance in a composition which makes it a delight to watch. The students performing this piece are Ashwini Pathak, Pallavi Solapure, Pallavi Deshpande, Jasmeena Anikar, and Pia Chandravarkar. So, here's presenting to you all, Menange.
आग तन मन सुलगाए संकट प्रेम ज्वाला नंदलाला जुल्मी याद आवन लागे मोहे रोज रोज तड़पावन लागे चले सांस घबरावन लागे सावरो कहाँ मैं हूँ तिहारी प्रीत की मारी आजा मुरारी।
question of the evening. Which of the following ras consists of being amazed as a basic expression? Number 1, Veer and Hasya. Number 2, Karm. And number 3, Adbhut. Don't forget to send in your answers on the numbers flashing on the screen. With this, we move on to the next performance of the evening. We now have advanced Tal sequence in Tal Rupak. A Tal which consists of 7 matras, and the bols go like
Tin, tin, na, dhi, na, dhi, na, tin, tin, na, dhi, na, dhi, na.
The sequence shows the technical aspect of Kathak, starting with the Uthan, Thaat, Amad, Paranamad, a few parans, out of which one is a Bhav Paran, which depicts warrior style and his combat. Then a few Tihais and Toras, a Padmelu and a Kavit, which is about a young woman going to meet her beloved. And despite of all the rain and bad weather condition, not paying any heed to all of this, she sets out to meet him. The last part of this Tal sequence consists of very interesting Bhav Tukras, which is a short composition based on daily life events like chasing a bird sitting on the branch or playing in the rain, playing with the ball. And lastly, the performance ends with breathtaking Tatkar. The girls performing this piece are Arya Kadbe, Tanvi Anand, Mehak, Pradnya, Prisha Thakkar, Kavina Patel, Navya, Arushi and Anila Arora.
Uthan, dhi, na, dhi, na, ta di da, adi da, ta di 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 da, ta Hey. प्रस्तुत है भाव परण। ये मिश्र गति परण है और इसमें एक योद्धा का वर्णन किया हुआ है। वीर रस की प्रस्तुति। तिन तिन ना धी ना धी ना धागे न धागे तित धागे न धागे तित कृत धागे तित तान न कृत तान तिन कत धा कतित धागे 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 धा। तिहाइयाँ तिन तिन ना री ना री ना आधे 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 ठेके के बोलों की कुछ तिहाइयाँ। तिन Presenting संगीत के टुकड़े. We call it संगीत के टुकड़े because the syllables in this bandish has nasal sound. Tavathunga, takitathunga, takitata, kathikitata, kathunga. So it creates musicality. So we call it संगीत के टुकड़े. Few of them. Tin, tin, na, ri, na, ri, na, tin, tin, na. Tavathunga, takitathunga, takitata, kathikitata, kathunga, takitata, kathikitata, kathunga, tunga, takitata, tunga, tikitata, 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 takitata, tunga, tikitata, 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 takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, tikitata. फरमाइशी तोड़ा. Tin, tin, na, ri, na. Tavathunga, tavathunga, takitathunga, takitathunga, takitata, takitata, kathunga, tikitata, tikitata, takitata, tunga, tunga, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey. Tavathunga, tavathunga, takitathunga, takitathunga, takitata, tikitata, kathunga, tikitata, tikitata, takitata, tunga, tunga, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey. Tavathunga, tavathunga, takitathunga, takitathunga, takitata, tikitata, kathunga, tikitata, tikitata, takitata, tunga, tunga, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey, takitata, takitata, tunga, tikitata, tikitata, hey. प्रस्तुत है एक कवित्त. अष्टनायिकाओं में से एक नायिका, अभिसारिका नायिका पर आधारित कवित्त. मेघ गर्जन घनन घन जोर, भेदी सिंह अरु बजत ढोल, भेदी सिंह अरु बजत ढोल. तीनों गगन पट अस चमक चपला गति विभोर, चमक चपला गति विभोर. घोर गम घन ग्रसत रजनी, सनन सन चल पवन जोर, सनन सन चल पवन जोर. निकसिकामी मन लुभावनी, खोय सुध चित पिय की ओर, खोय सुध चित पिय की ओर. कछु जामिया सब देखत सुनत ही, नुपुर खन खन करत शोर, नुपुर खन खन करत शोर, नुपुर खन खन करत शोर. परमेलो na thi na tin tin na dig 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 ta thi ta ta tik ta tik ta tik ta dig dig ta thi ta ta dig 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 ta thi ta ta tik ta tik ta tik ta dig dig ta thi ta ta dig 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 ta thi ta ta tik ta tik ta tik ta dig dig ta thi ta ta भाव टुकड़ा पंछी की चहक और उसको उड़ा देना tin tin na thi na tin tin na dig dig ta thi ta ta thi ta thi ta thi ta thi dig dig ta thi ta ta thi ta thi ta thi ta thi dig dig ta thi ta ta thi ta thi ta thi ta thi ya ta thi ta thi ta thi ya ta thi ta thi ta thi one more bhav टुकड़ा playing in the rain tin tin na thi na tin tin na
ta thi ta dig dig ta thi ta ta thi ta dig dig ta thi ta ta thi ta thi ta dig dig hey dig dig hey dig dig hey
भाव टुकड़ा playing with a ball tin tin na thi na tin tin na
ta hey ta dig dig ta hey ta dig dig ta dig dig ta thi ta ta dig dig ta thi ta ta thi ta ta thi ta 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
last टुकड़ा tin tin na thi na tin tin na thi na dig 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 ta thi ta ta thi ta thi ta thi
hey dig 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 ta thi ta ta thi ta thi ta hey dig dig ta thi ta thi ta thi ta thi ta hey ta thi ta thi ta thi ta thi ta thi ta thi 1 2 3
One
The next quiz question we have for you is, Adhomukh is a part of option 1 Sthanaka, option 2 Mandal, option 3 Shirobhed, or option 4 Drishtibhed. Do send in your answers to the number on the screen. We now have a very interesting style of Indian classical music. It is a composition of 4 distinct features: Chatur, which means 4, and Ang, which means part. Unfortunately, it is not sung, heard, or danced that often. Our next performance is one such Chaturang, beautifully composed in Rag Marwa by Guru Pandita Dr. Rohini Bhate ji. A Natwari, Tarana, Thumri, and Sargam beautifully woven together in this Chaturang. The students of Srimati Poonam Shyamji from the Trishna School of Indian Dance in Zurich, Switzerland will be performing this piece for us. This year's lockdown has given them a good opportunity to learn this piece from Guru Srimati Rujita Somanji herself in a virtual workshop. This magnificent piece is going to be performed by Anuja Bhave, Neha Arondekar, Rajalakshmi Rai, Ritika Chakravarti, Anchana Kugaselam, Shilpa Kopula, Prashant Chandran, and Poonam Shyamji herself. So here's presenting from all the way from Switzerland, the Marwa Chaturang.
दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता ताण दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता ताण दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता ताण दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता ताण दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता ताण दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता
Hey.
कैसे जाऊं मैं जल भरनवा, 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 कैसे जाऊं मैं जल भरनवा। बीच डगर ठाड़ू नंद कुंवरवा, बीच डगर ठाड़ू नंद कुंवरवा, बीच डगर ठाड़ो 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 नंद कुंवरवा, बीच डगर नंद कुंवरवा, बीच डगर ठाड़ो नंद कुंवरवा, बीच डगर ठाड़ो नंद कुंवरवा। कैसे जाऊं मैं जल भरनवा, 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 कैसे जाऊं बीच डगर ठाड़ो नंद कुंवरवा, बीच डगर ठाड़ो नंद कुंवरवा। झगरत मोतन मानिन टिक मुरी बतिया, झगरत मोतन मानिन टिक मुरी बतिया, कैसे जाऊं मैं जल भरनवा, कैसे जाऊं। झपट पटकी मोरी, झपट पटकी मोरी, झपट पटकी मोरी, सिर की मटुकिया, झपट पटकी मोरी, सिर की मटुकिया, चुरिया पोरी कर मरोरी मोहनवा, कैसे जाऊं मैं जल भरनवा, 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 कैसे जाऊं मैं जल भरनवा। बीच डगर ठाड़ो नंद कुंवरवा, 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 कैसे जाऊं, तेरे कैसे जाऊं, तेरे कैसे जाऊं, मैं जल भरनवा रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे धा म ग रे धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे धा म ग रे धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 गा म 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 ध म नि ध रे नि रे ध ध नि रे रे नि रे रे गा म ध म ध ध रे गा म ध रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 गा म रे गा म ध रे गा म ध रे गा म रे गा म ध म नि ध रे नि रे दा दा नि रे रे नि रे रे गा म ध म ध रे गा म ध रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे धा म ग रे धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा दा नि धा म ग रे 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 दा 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 रे रे दा 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 रे 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 दा 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 म ग रे ने दा ने रे सा ताण दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता ताण दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता थै ता दिग दिग ता नि धा म ग रे रे दा नि धा म ता रे ता
We now have our first solo performance of the day by Prisha Thakkar, who will be performing a tal sequence and a small abhinay piece illustrating the beautiful atmosphere created by the rains. Prisha has been learning Kathak for the past 10 years and has been a teacher at RSCA for the past 2 years. Her love for Kathak, her grace and passion, along with her fun-loving nature, makes her girl's favorite Didi.
बूंदन बरसन लागी, सावन की बूंदन बरसन लागी, सावन की बूंदन बरसन लागी। मेहा धरती में तरसत मिलन को धरती गिरिराज गावे राग मल्हार बरखा रुत आई सावन की बूंदन बरसन लागी सावन की बूंदन बरसन लागी। गरज में बाजे मृदंग गरज गरज में बाजे मृदंग कानन में नाचत मोर तक थुड़ंग पवन चलत सननन दामिनी के संग पवन चलत सननन दामिनी के संग गिरिराज गावे राग मल्हार गिरिराज गावे राग मल्हार बरखा रुत आई सावन की बूंदन बरसन लागे सावन की बूंदन बरसन लागे बरसन लागे बूंदन बरसन लागे।
I'm sure we all loved that performance. Moving on to our last quiz question for the day. Which is considered as the fifth Ved? Option 1 Rig Ved, Option 2 Natya Ved, Option 3 Samaved, or Option 4 Atharva Ved. Do send in your answers to the number on the screen. And moving on to our final performance for today, an intense tal which is going to be performed by Purva Deshpande. She is one of the senior students at RSCA who has been learning Kathak for the past 17 years and also has been a teacher at RSCA for the past 8 to 9 years. So here's presenting our last solo performance for today in Tal Neel.
Namaskar. Presenting Tal Neel. It is a unique cycle of 7.5 beats. I will recite it for you once. Tin, tin, na, dhi, na, धी ना धी ना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.5 1. In Indian astrology, we come across the term called Sadesati, in which it is advised for you to wear a Neel stone. Similarly, While performing a complex cycle like 7.5 beats, dancers may face hurdles, and so the name Tal Neel. This unique tal is conceptualized, choreographed and composed by Guru Pandita Dr. Rohini Bhate, presenting Tal Neel. This includes syllables of Kathak like Tathe-tat as well as syllables of Paran like Dhata Kathunga, then Na, Dhi, Na, Dhi, Na, Dhi, Dhi, Na, Dha, Ta, Ka, Thu, Ga, Dha, Ge, Di, Ge, Ta, Dha, Dhin, Ta, Dher, Ta, Kid, Dha, Ta, Ka, Thu, Ga, Da, Ki, Ta, Ta, Ka, Dha, Tedi, Ka, Ta, Ga, Di, Ga, Dha, Dha, Tedi, Ka, Ta, Ga, Di, Ga, Dha, 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 Tedi, Ka, Ta, Ga, Di, Ga, Dha, Ta, Te, Ta, Ta, Te, Ta, A, Te, Ta, Ta, Te, Ta, Te, Ta, Te, Ta, 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 Ta. Gatanikas. It is one of the unique aspects of Kathak, in this we showcase different chals of animal, birds, gods and goddesses. In the current one, I am showcasing the chal of Lord Ganesh, Gatanikas. Ginati, games with numbers. Presenting Tripalli. In this, same phrase is repeated thrice in 3 different speeds. In this one, we have speeds of 3, 4 and 3. Na, dhi, na, dhi, na, dhi, dhi, na. Dha taka dhiki taka taka dhiki taka taka digana dhatuna karta dha, karta dha, karta dha. Dha taka dhiki taka taka dhiki taka taka digana dhatuna karta dha, karta dha, karta dha. Dan dha dhiki taka taka dhiki taka dhatuna karta dha, karta dha, karta dha. representing Chakradar Paran. In this, the same phrase is repeated thrice with same gap. I will recite third palla. Dillang, 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 dag dag tho dim ta, tak dillang ta dillang, tak dillang dag dag tho dimi, detlam, detlam, dalang, dalang, dalina ka tak digan ti, ga di ga na.
Dance for Hope, where the students of RSCA will train the underprivileged children from different backgrounds. A great initiative to open up all the boundaries.
Corporate social responsibility focus at Tata Autocomp has always been to take up initiatives which are very crucial for the community and which has a very long-term impact. We have taken up projects for building a brighter tomorrow by working with school children and youth for their overall development. Dance for Hope is one such important initiative which has been envisioned by Rujuta Soman, and thanks to her we have been able to adopt this initiative for school children from Zilla Parishad and for college students who come from economically challenged backgrounds. Dance for Hope is a very thoughtfully designed project for students from various age groups. It introduces this beautiful dance form of Kathak to students. Students who feel so honored and privileged to have this experience of learning Kathak from such eminent teachers from Rujuta Soman Dance Academy. And such an exposure to students at such an early age in their lives will definitely play a big role in developing them into brighter individuals, especially when these modules are designed to develop the 3 C's in students: concentration, coordination, and creativity. And what is really encouraging to see is that these modules can now be taught on a digital platform and bring so much happiness to students while they're locked down in their homes during the pandemic. I'm very sure that such initiatives will help us in identifying the right talent and handhold them and groom them to nurture this talent as they grow in their lives.
With this, we bring down the curtains for today's session. But tomorrow, we will be back with yet other graceful and enchanting performances. We hope you enjoyed today's session. So, tune in tomorrow morning at 11 for more such powerful and delightful performances. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.